Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a simple Shinbox flow that you can do from, obviously, from sitting in the Shinbox to standing. One of our viewers, Arnold, kind of inspired this, and we actually teach something similar to this in our workshops, but it's fun to do and it feels good, and it's good for you, so why not do it, right? So you start out in the Shinbox position here, and you rotate over, and you can rotate over either with your hands behind your back or with your hands in the air. And however you do it is fine. However, just move where you can move, okay? So rotate over, and then you grow tall. And then from growing tall, you take your back leg and come to a lunge position here. And then from here, you can simply stand. And then you lower yourself down on that one leg, take that front leg, put it back behind you, and then rotate back to where you started. And then from there, you can grow tall, take that back leg to the lunge position and stand. And when you stand, you can play with, do you want to push up on both feet? Do you want to lower yourself down on both feet? Or do you want to try to do it on one foot? So you have these options, right? So basically, the essence of the flow is rotate, grow tall, go to lunge, stand, and then you undo it. And then you flip to the other side. Pretty simple. If you want to add some flair to it, you can add more rotation into your tall kneeling position. So you can, let me see, that's the best way to face you. Should I go this way? So you rotate over, grow tall, rotate, stand. And then you undo that. So you lunge down, come back, and then you do the same thing. Anyway, that is just a fun rotational Shinbox flow that gets you from the ground to standing and from standing back down to the ground. Again, it's great for your hips. Obviously, when we always talk about the Shinbox, we talk about internal and external rotation with the hips. It works your center, works your core, works your spine, gets you used to using all these muscles that we don't always use if we're spending a lot of time in chairs. Anyway, it's a great way to play on the floor. And if you do that for time, I mean, if you took 10 minutes, or you can take 5 minutes, and just spent time just moving in and out of that, in and out of that, you would be amazed at how great it makes you feel, and how much stronger you get because you're using muscles the way they were designed to move. Basically, by just simply using them. Using your muscles by using them is how they were designed, and that's what you were made to do. All that to say is, when we spend a lifetime sitting in chairs and riding in cars and sitting in front of a computer, we're not necessarily using our body to its fullest potential because we're not using it to its design, really. So all that to say is, play in the Shinbox. It feels good, it's good for you, and it's a fun little flow to do. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
If you're not moving as well as you want to, look for an Original Strength professional near you, or come to one of our Pressing Reset workshops. You can find them both on our website, originalstrength.net.